Who can tell me what's wrong with number 4? 5 squared equals 5 times 2 equals 10. What's wrong with that one? Sierra?
If the exponent is 5 to the second power,
So what's wrong with the way they have it?
and it they have it 5 times 2, but and the approximation is supposed to be 5 to the second power equals 5 times 5 times 10.
Okay, right. Oh, I had that closed. Okay, so it should be,
Equals 25.
yeah, it should say something like 5 squared equals 5 times 5. So the correct solution is 25. 5 squared equals 5 times 5, not 5 times 2. So as long as you're clear with what it means, it's okay. How about the next one? What's the mistake? What's the mistake in the next one? Connor? No. Well, that's what they have, but that's wrong. What does 6 to the third mean? 6 times 6 times 6, and that's equal to what? Zane?
216.
216. If you would put 6 up key 3, you would get 216. 10 to the fourth equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. What's the mistake? What's the mistake? I wish other people would raise their hands. You're letting a lot of your classmates do all the work. Maya?
They're adding and they're supposed to be multiplying.
So 10 to the fourth equals 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And did you get the standard notation? What it means? What does it mean, Maya?
10,000.
10,000, not 40. That's a big difference, isn't it? Okay, so make sure you have those written in. And some of you have gone ahead and filled in the ones on the bottom. Let's take a look at those. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 would be 7 to the fourth power. But look what it says, and this is what you have to watch out for. When it says write the answer in standard notation, you have to write the actual number. So if you wrote 7 to the fourth, that's not correct. If it said write in exponential notation, that's what you would need. So what is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, Brandon?
2,401.
3,401?
2,000.
2,401. Anybody get something different? Okay, so how about 15 times 15 times 15 times 15? What did you get, Parker?
50,625.
50,625. Any discussions or different answers? If you don't have these in, you could be figuring them out. 6 to the 9th?
Yeah.
Okay, you could use your calculator for that. If you didn't do it, put it in your calculator. 6 with the up key and 9. What do you get, Zane?
10,077,696.
Say it slower and louder.
10,077,696.
396? Any discussion on that?
No, 696.
Okay. Now do I have everything?
Yeah.
Alright. And then 5 to the 8th. What'd you get for 5 to the 8th? Logan?
390,625.
Okay, if you don't have these filled in, you should be then what?
Button.
The up key, and then what?
12.
Equals, and then what do you get? 4,096. Is that what everybody got? Okay. And then 4 to the 5th power. What does that mean? What do you put in your calculator? Caden?
4 of key 5.
And what do you get, Caden?
1024.
1024. Any discussion? Alright. Now, less than, greater than, equal. So you'll have to maybe figure out both. 10 squared versus 10 to the, or 2 to the 10th. What's 10 squared equal to, Calvin? 100. And 2 to the 10th. Do you have that one? Can you figure that out for us? Think it'll be more than 100?
Yes. Yep.
Oop, no, 2 to the 1,024. So you should have 10 squared is less than 2 to the 10th. Number 14. 3 to the 4th versus 9 squared. What's 9 squared? We should just know that. 9 squared, Zane?
Equals 81.
3 to the 4th.
81.
881?
No, 81.
Yeah, I have 81. What's 3 to the 4th?
81.
Oh, it is? I'm sorry. I thought you were stuck or something. So that one is equal. All right.
Yeah, that's what I put.
You're not going to be looking at anything else till you get all this written in. 1 squared, everybody, we know that's 1. And 1 to the 5th we know is 1. So that one is equal. 5 to the 4th and 500. What's 5 to the 4th, Brandon? Well, why'd you raise your hand? Oh, you're just going to tell me greater than, less than, or equal?
It's 625.
Say it again.
625.
Okay. So what's my sign going to be?
Greater.
Greater than. Alright, do we have those? Okay, so that all needs to be done. I'm going to explain math boxes. You are also getting a study link for tonight. And then I will show you how to play the game. It's called exponent ball. It's like football. Yeah.
These 2 keys on my calculator are stuck.
Oh, some of these calculators have seen better days, Morgan.